Brittany Hofstetter has been a staff nurse in the ER for the last several years. She started with us as a graduate nurse and has really worked her way up to being a leader on the unit, a really great mentor. Brittany was nominated for her act of compassion and service for going out of her way to take care of a family that was in the emergency room.
One morning I was working in super fast track with Dr. Tidwell there in the ER, and we had a family come in that had been in a car wreck, and they had 2 small children with them. Thanks to them being buckled in properly, the children were fine and the parents were fine. We are always taught in trauma training and nursing school to cut the seat belts in these car seats because they're no longer, reliable. And I just couldn't, in good conscience, cut these seats and send them out with nothing. The family didn't have the means to go replace them right then, so started looking at hospital resources, and whenever I found out we couldn't do that, I started shopping online, and the ER doctor said, you know what, my wife's out running errands, let me just see if we can go get those for this family, and they did, brought them to the EC, and we were able to send this family out with proper seats for these kiddos. I love being able to help people. I felt like that's something that I've been drawn to. Being an emergency nurse, you get to help people in their worst times. I mean, when they come into the emergency room, they're not having a good day. They're probably having the worst day of their life. So to be able to be there for people and help them through that is what's really rewarding.
Brittany has always gone out of her way for all of her patients, and in this particular situation, it was so nice to have a physician step in and really team with her to make sure that these kids could go home safely. And it is a true picture of what our teamwork is in the ER, because we're a family and we take care of other families when they need us.